Sexual offences and consent are essential issues under UK law. Recent changes have focused on improving protections for all individuals, ensuring that everyone, in every circumstance, can live free from harassment and harm. Let's explore these changes and what they mean for you.
To protect individuals, UK law uses specific terms to define sexual offences. Understanding these definitions can help you navigate complex situations and know your rights.
Sexual harassment. Unwanted sexual behavior that creates a hostile or intimidating environment. Rape. Engaging in penetration without consent, as defined under the Sexual Offences Act 2003. Marital rape. Non-consensual acts within marriage are criminal offenses, regardless of marital status. Child abuse. Includes physical, emotional, or sexual harm to minors under the age of 16.
Consent is at the heart of sexual offence laws in the UK. It must be freely given, informed, and can be withdrawn at any time. If consent is given through deception or coercion, it is not valid under UK law. Types of consent: explicit, clear agreement given by words or actions. Informed, consent given with full understanding of what is involved. Revoked, consent can be taken back at any time. Invalid, consent is not valid if given under pressure, coercion, or deceit.
Let's look at a case where consent was gained through fraud. Anna meets Tom online, who pretends to be a celebrity and uses fake photos and stories to gain her trust. When they meet in person, Anna agrees to intimacy, believing he is someone he's not. In this case, her consent is invalid.
Anna's consent was obtained based on lies, which means it was not valid consent under UK law. This is an example of rape by fraud, where consent is invalid if it was based on deception.
New laws coming into effect in October 2024 now make it a legal duty for employers to take proactive steps to prevent sexual harassment, including misconduct by third parties. Employers must implement clear policies, provide staff training, conduct risk assessments, and establish robust reporting mechanisms. If they fail to comply, they could face increased damages in legal claims and reputational damage. Employers are now legally responsible for creating a safe environment free from harassment, which includes preventing sexual misconduct that could occur from clients, customers, or other third parties. Sexual harassment can take many forms, including the use of substances to impair judgment or inappropriate physical acts. Victims, regardless of gender, often face emotional trauma and feelings of helplessness. In the UK, using substances to incapacitate someone or engaging in non-consensual physical acts, such as inappropriate touching or penetration, are severe criminal offences. Victims should know they are not alone, and justice is possible. Harassment is not only an issue in workplaces but also in educational settings. Universities and schools must take steps to prevent and address harassment among students and staff, ensuring a safe environment for all individuals. Under UK law, marital rape is a criminal offence, and consent within marriage must be mutual and free from coercion. While traditional interpretations of Sharia law often view marital consent as inherent, modern scholars have shifted towards emphasizing mutual respect and shared decision-making within marriage. They oppose harm and challenge any justification for marital rape.
While cultural perspectives can influence personal beliefs, UK law is clear. Marriage does not imply consent, and any act of non-consensual sex within marriage is treated as rape. Mutual respect and understanding should always define relationships, both legally and culturally.
The UK law strictly protects children. No one under the age of 16 can legally consent to sexual activity. This is called statutory rape, and the law treats it as a serious crime, designed to safeguard the vulnerable from exploitation.
Children are not legally capable of consenting to sexual activity, and any violation of this law is treated severely by the courts.
If you've been affected by sexual violence or harassment, know that help is available. You can report the incident to the police, document evidence, and seek support from organizations like Rape Crisis UK. You are not alone.
Some common misunderstandings include assuming consent based on previous interactions, or ignoring nonverbal cues that someone is uncomfortable. Such actions can lead to serious legal consequences.
Penalties for offences range from fines to life imprisonment, depending on the severity of the crime.
Understanding UK laws on sexual offences and consent is essential for creating a safer, more respectful society. By knowing your rights and responsibilities, we can ensure that justice is served and that everyone is protected from harm.
Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more